Hello guys, you're welcome to Mixing with Mandul Johnson. Today I'm not mixing, I'll be walking you through a short section of the song I'm working on. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Let's dive in. Okay, so I'm measuring the distance between my snare, from my snare to my overhead mics. I need them equidistant. This is so it arrives at the same time and my snare sounds balanced and in the middle. And this is my studio assistant, Isaac Dashmore. So do you want to follow that pattern? Alright. So are you ready?
Yeah. Oh wait, should I play what I want?
Let me hear what do you Okay, so I decided to try the CLA plugin on my snare. Prax has been talking about it. Prax is one of my friends, he's an engineer. So he said I should give it a shot, so I decided to try it. Now I recorded, this is the live drum set that you just saw in this video. This is how my raw snare sounds. Yeah. And then with CLA on it, this is how it sounds. So it sounds, I like it. Sounds really good. It's cool. Okay. So this is how the full drum set sounds. I think I have another CLE on the kick, that's all. Okay, so well, I've already done some drum replacements. I've replaced my kick, replaced my snare, but the snare replacements are very subtle. The kick is a little bit more pronounced for the replacement. So this is how. Let me just bring in my percussions so you hear how it sounds. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video, drop your comments. Yeah. Thank you so much.